So over here you can see that I have this page right here, and let's say what I want to do is I want to create an exact copy of this page so that I can make a few changes to it, but just keep the original one as it is. In that case, you can go around onto the add page section and click, and over here you can see that duplicate page is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that an exact copy of the page is made right here. So you can go around over here and make changes to the copied one right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and change around and make copies right here. Let's say, for example, for this, and make some changes. And from the original, you can see that this is different, but the original stays here as it is. If I were to go around over here and duplicate out this space, then you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go around and rearrange this out right here and place it wherever you want. And that is how you can go around and duplicate out the page as you want inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.